and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and set up the new 14-inch MacBook Pro. And I'll put an overview of all of the details about this computer here. I just have the standard model, but I'll put some of the customization options here. Now let's open it. First up, there's the MagSafe 3 charger, meaning there's a magnet on here so it clicks into the computer. Information packets and matte black stickers, changing it up from the white this time. Then the 67 watt power adapter. There was the option to upgrade to the 96 watt power adapter for $20 more, but I stuck with this one. The 96 watt one would be able to charge the computer from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. So if that's something that's important to you, might be worth the $20. I'll plug this side into here. Wow, fail. I'll plug this side into here. And this side connects to the computer. And I don't know if you can see this, but the cord is mesh, so hopefully that means it's a little stronger. And that's everything in the box. Now I'll open this up. And here it is. Here's the back, and it has this MacBook Pro engraved in there. There's definitely some weight to it. I wouldn't really call it light. It's a high performance computer though, so 3.5 pounds isn't too bad. Okay, let's open it up. Wow, it just automatically turned on. I didn't even click anything. I'll take this off. I'll go through some of these setup screens. Now I can set up Touch ID. I like dark mode, so I'll choose that. And now it's all set up. First thing I'm noticing is how vibrant that display is. It's been updated from the previous model and it's very noticeable. And listen to this keyboard. Can you hear that? I don't know if you can hear that, but the keys feel way different. Here's the full up-close shot of the new keyboard. And you can see the Touch ID is a little bit bigger too. I actually have my old 2016 MacBook Pro right here, so here's the old one. No Touch ID, no touch bar, compared to the new one. The keys on the new one are way less clicky, so it's kind of like a softer click, which I like. Definitely liking the new one better. Speakers are still along the sides of the keyboard. On the left side, there's the MagSafe 3 charging port. Had to do that. Wow, I can't even get it off. Good magnet. 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, so you can plug in a USB-C cable into these and a headphone jack. And on the right side, there's an HDMI port, another Thunderbolt 4 port, and an SD card slot. The front-facing camera was also upgraded, and this is now 1080p. I love how they were able to shift that top bar up, even though it was just that tiny bit. It does make a difference, I think. And for some other details, this computer has the M1 Pro chip, and they say up to 11 hours of battery life while web browsing. Now I'll use it for a few weeks and let you know what I think. Alright, that's the new 14-inch MacBook Pro. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and here are some of my thoughts. This is definitely an expensive computer. But if you're like me and you make videos and you're using editing software all the time, or if you always have multiple applications that you need to have running at the same time, then this is the computer to get. It can handle all of that easily. I used to have the 2016 MacBook Pro, and it is so much faster to edit with this one, and way quieter. And I actually really like having the ports added back to the sides of the computer, because I used to have to use an adapter all the time, and now I can plug everything right into the computer. Basically, if you're a video editor, this computer rocks. I have to say though, it would be way better if they came in some fun colors. Totally would have gone with a pink if they had one, or a rose gold. Either would have worked. And it would also be great if it had Face ID. So hopefully all that's coming soon. And the Magic Mouse needs updating, but that's a different story. That's a story for another day. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you hope to see on the next MacBook Pro. I'd love to hear what you guys think. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Bye!